In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I'm promoting multiple affiliate products and offers utilizing this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So basically, this is a funnel builder and email marketing software in which you can store your contacts, you can put here your opportunities, your payments, and you can do many more things on this platform. But the one thing that I'm using it right now is to promote all of these products. So as you can see in the screen, I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator. So these are high ticket products. For example, this is a low ticket, the 72-hour challenge. The price is $9, and Freedom Accelerator is the high ticket product. And basically, this is a training that helps people to start an affiliate marketing using short form videos, using Facebook, using faceless artificial intelligence strategies, also using Instagram strategies to bring traffic to the to the funnel. And as you can see, we have here all this information. So I'm promoting this high ticket product, but in this video I want to show you that I'm promoting all of these trainings. For example, secrets of success, system.io, repurpose.io. So here we have a variety of products. Now I'm going to promote also Legendary Marketer. This is another high ticket product, and so I'm here in the Legendary Marketer affiliate page, and I'm going to apply now. So as you can see, so legendary perks completely free for all affiliates. So we have here these features, and I'm going to click on this button to apply now, because with the system, with funnelfreedom.io, we can promote all of the products that I just showed to you. So I'm going to fill this information, and I'm going to get back to the video. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I submitted my application to promote the Legendary Marketer. So the response is that due to the high number of applications, they get their response via email within between 2 and 5 business days. And if they have any further questions, or if they approve my application, they are going to send me an email. Thanks for the interest in the affiliate program. So I hope that I get approved to promote Legendary Marketer. And once I have the my affiliate link, I'm going to copy and paste it right over here where it says Legendary Marketer. So as you can see, one of the most powerful things about this software is that I am promoting all of these products, and I'm using this is like a done for you system, because it has a funnel with a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, and I'm giving away a free course that I didn't create. The person who created this course is Jonathan Montoya, who is the creator of this software, and also he's the creator of this high ticket product, Freedom Accelerator, the 72-hour challenge, and he has as well another trainings. For example, he created the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, which is another high ticket product. But more importantly, I'm promoting these products with this opt-in page. So let me show you. I'm driving traffic to this page, and when people click this button, take the free course, this pop-up appears, and I can collect a name and an email. And once I have that information, The software sends emails automatically to promote all of those products. And so, and I'm giving away this free course, and it has 10 modules. And if I go, for example, to the members area, module 1, and click here, because I want to show you, so this is the free course, and it has 7 parts. For example, the best side hustle online to quit your job, the fastest way to quit your 9 to 5 job. So if I click on, for example, in the part 4, on part 4, you're going to see that below the lesson, we have here a lot of buttons. For example, if people want to download the checklist, they can click here. But more importantly, here, when people click here, they can become an affiliate for the 72-hour challenge, for legendary marketer, for the 5-second silent webinar. And so we have these buttons. And for example, this one is to join the 72-hour challenge. And if people click that button, they will go to my affiliate link. And that is how we can promote these products, by using the free course. Now let me click on the part 6, take action. Okay, to automatically post your videos. So as you can see here, we have more buttons. For example, when people click get repurpose.io or Udemy or Freedom Accelerator, people, they are going to be clicking my affiliate links. So let's check part 7. So here they can sign up for Funnel Freedom, which is also my affiliate link, and want to master traffic and generate unlimited leads. Check out Freedom Accelerator, and that is also my affiliate link. So this don't produce system is powerful because I'm promoting my affiliate products like an indirect. This is like an indirect sale because I'm not selling at all. I just put my affiliate links, I drive traffic to the opt-in page, and when people click the buttons inside of the course, they will be clicking my affiliate links. And the other thing that I want to show you is that the automation part, which is basically the nurturing system. So when people put that information, the software is going to send these emails, and inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links and valuable information as well. So if I click on the workflow white label course, right now these are the like the email sequence that have been published. We have the welcome sequence, the FFS00, and as you can see, I have here 8 people enrolled to this workflow, and the FFS01. So this is a 60-day nurture sequence. So that means that it has 60 days of emails. And I have 4 people enrolled on this email sequence. And we have all of this sequence plus 60 days, another 60 days, another 60 days. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 email sequence of 60 days to nurture our email list. And inside of the emails, people are going to find valuable information. And if they buy from any of the buttons inside of the emails, people, they will be clicking all affiliate links that I just showed to you. So this is a pretty amazing system because it has, as you can see, like a lot of work, because as an affiliate marketer, we can build this system by ourselves, but it takes like a lot of time, energy, and effort, because inside of the emails, people are going to find also YouTube videos, and we're going to use the leverage of Jonathan, who has created also the YouTube videos, And below of the videos, people will find the buttons. So I hope that you take value from this video, guys. Jonathan is going to launch this software on November 27th. If you want to get access, you can click the first link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and go